Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be on the importance of sound in your B-roll sequences, your short films. As you'll have noticed, this channel has been on a hiatus and I want to apologise for that. I was over in Hamburg for a week with a friend, recharging, resetting. Friday of that week I travelled to LA for a wedding. Sadly, couldn't meet up with any of the VidSummit people that were over as I left on the night of VidSummit starting and majority of people flying in. The purpose of this video, sound. You'll notice that sound has upgraded slightly on this channel. I am now recording audio on the H4n Zoom microphone and it is on point. Anyway, while I was out in Edinburgh shooting some stuff for a client with my media company and sourcing some stuff for a secret company project that I'm starting up, I decided to shoot this video on the importance of sound. Now the visuals are not that strong, however we'll jump into the edit that I put together. This is just raw video with the in-camera audio and the music that I have decided on. So here it is. Okay, so I cut that one short slightly with the audio from the camera only, and it doesn't really hold your attention. Not saying by any means that the next one will hold your attention massively more, however, with the crisper audio and the better sort of lead-ins with audio going from scene to scene, I believe it works a little bit better. So here's that one now. So hopefully you will have been able to understand what I meant by those sounds. If you want to see a tutorial on how I edit my sound into my pieces, then please leave a comment down below. Any suggestions on how I could improve the content on this channel or on the way that I'm shooting and recording audio, then please leave them in the comments as well. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, like rating, and until next time guys, keep it real, hunt that thrill, peace. So hopefully you realised the sort of difference between the two pieces there. I'm going to leave it there. If you do have any questions or want to see how I edit my audio in a future video, please leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, leave the comment down below as well, and I'll try and answer them. Any suggestions on how I can improve my craft and my filmmaking and my audio taking, then please let me know as well down in those comments. How many times can I say let me know? Let me know about all the stuff, all the things down in the comments below, and that will inevitably help me, and hopefully I can help you. That being said, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, like rating. If you would consider subscribing, it would be much appreciated. And until next time, I will be showing some more of the secret project. I will be launching soon on that one, so there will be some footage coming out and some vlog material on business stuff due to the new venture. So I'll leave that here, and until next time guys, as always, keep it real, hunt that thrill, peace.